These are the Polaris engineered bushing and bushing kit. Polaris's heavy-duty bushings are made of an advanced material compound which enables tighter tolerances, which reduce overall wear on the system. The superior triple lip sealing prevents intrusion of the elements. The bushing kit includes the bushings and the shafts, so you can easily update the entire front and rear suspension. Let's walk through how to identify bushing wear and see if this heavy-duty option might be the upgrade you need. Bushings tend to wear out more quickly if you run an aggressive tread or use larger tires, ride on rocky and rough terrain, or have high mileage. To identify bushing wear, check for excess play. Shake the tire side to side and watch the A-arm pivot blocks for excessive movement. Check the frame tab and ensure it is not reamed out. If your bushings present symptoms of wear, they should be replaced. If you find yourself needing to replace your bushings often, the Polaris engineered heavy-duty bushing or bushing kits might be the answer. To find more information and view the full Polaris engineered heavy-duty part lineup, check polaris.com/hdparts or stop by your local dealer.